Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Julianne and I create videos all about candle making and running a candle business. We're making a Boo-Nilla milkshake candle. If you don't know what a Boo-Nilla milkshake candle is, it's a milkshake that has a ghost face. So click on that subscribe button and the like button and let's get straight into this video. Enjoyed it in any sort of way, make sure that you are subscribed. If you're not new to my channel, you've been watching my videos consistently and you are not subscribed, what are you even doing? Hit that subscribe button right now and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and leave me a comment. Bye.